Ever wondered why Bitcoin's value seems to skyrocket after every few years? Well, the answer lies in a phenomenon called Bitcoin halving. But what exactly is Bitcoin halving, and why does it matter? Let's delve into this intriguing event and unlock its impact on the world of cryptocurrency. Introduction. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is a very important event in the world of cryptocurrency that occurs approximately every 4 years. During this event, the rewards for mining new Bitcoin blocks are cut in half, leading to a decrease in the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This reduction in supply often leads to an increase in the price of Bitcoin, as the scarcity of the digital currency becomes more apparent. Bitcoin halving doesn't just impact Bitcoin's price, it also affects the whole cryptocurrency market and how profitable mining is. Miners, who help keep Bitcoin secure, might earn less after halving because they get fewer rewards. In short, Bitcoin halving is a big deal for the crypto world. Understanding what it means and how it works can help investors and enthusiasts feel more confident in this fast-changing landscape. So fasten your seatbelts and be with us for in-depth discussions. Main body. During a Bitcoin halving event, miners that validate transactions and protect the network earn fewer rewards. This can have a substantial influence on mining profitability, as lower incentives require miners to work harder to earn the same amount of Bitcoin. However, the halving has the ability to push up Bitcoin's price, since the lower supply creates scarcity and increases demand. The first Bitcoin halving occurred in 2012, when the reward for mining a block was reduced from 50 BTC to 25 BTC. The second halving took place in 2016, reducing the reward to 12.5 BTC per block. The most recent halving occurred in May 2020, cutting the reward to 6.25 BTC per block. Bitcoin halving events are closely watched by the cryptocurrency community, as they can have a significant impact on the price and overall health of the Bitcoin network. Many investors and traders use the halving as a key indicator of future price movements, with some even speculating on the event itself. Overall, Bitcoin halving is a crucial aspect of the cryptocurrency's design, helping to ensure its long-term sustainability and value. For miners, Bitcoin halving can have a significant impact on their operations. With reduced rewards, miners may need to adjust their strategies to remain profitable. However, the decrease in mining difficulty during halving periods can actually make it easier for miners to validate transactions and secure the network. In recent halving events, miners have shown resilience and confidence in the future of Bitcoin. Instead of selling off their newly mined coins, many miners are choosing to hold on to them, anticipating future price increases. This behavior not only reflects miners' belief in the long-term value of Bitcoin, but also helps to stabilize the market during periods of volatility. I am assuming that many of you are freshers, so I also want to tell you that Bitcoin is a type of digital currency in which a record of transactions is maintained and new units of currency are generated by the computational solution of mathematical problems, and which operates independently of a central bank. The volatility of Bitcoin's price has made it a popular choice for traders and investors looking to capitalize on its fluctuating value. Its decentralized nature and limited supply have also made it a popular choice for those seeking to diversify their investment portfolios and protect their wealth from economic uncertainties. Now, coming back to today's topic, as we approach the next Bitcoin halving event, investors and enthusiasts alike are eagerly anticipating the potential impact on the market. Historically, Bitcoin halving events have been followed by significant price increases as the supply of new coins entering circulation is reduced. This scarcity often leads to increased demand and a subsequent surge in prices. While the exact timing and magnitude of these price movements are impossible to predict with certainty, many analysts believe that we could see a new all-time high for Bitcoin in the months following the halving. So buckle up, because the future of Bitcoin halving is shaping up to be an exciting ride. Here are some key points of 2024 halving. The fourth Bitcoin halving occurred on Friday, dropping the issuance rate of new Bitcoin to 3,125, roughly every 10 minutes. Despite the notable event, it's unclear whether it will lead to a sharp Bitcoin price rise as it has in the past. The highly anticipated fourth iteration of the Bitcoin halving occurred a little after 8-9 p.m. Eastern on Friday. Bitcoin traded flat in the immediate aftermath of the halving, holding steady around $63,000. After the halving, the rate of issuance of new Bitcoin, as well as the rewards for successful Bitcoin miners, are cut in half. There can only be 21 million Bitcoin, and fewer new tokens entering circulation could impact Bitcoin prices. That's why the halving is watched closely by miners and investors alike. After the recent halving, the rate of new Bitcoin created every 10 minutes is now 3.125. These halving events occur every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years, as part of the network's original design from its launch in January 2009. Following the halving, the block reward for validating transactions on the Bitcoin network is halved. Miners now receive 3.125 Bitcoin as a reward for successfully mining a block. The 840,000th block was mined by ViaBT, with the successful miner receiving over 40 Bitcoin, equivalent to more than $2.6 million in total rewards from the block subsidy and fees. This amount is significantly higher than the little over 7 Bitcoin, worth around $450,000, earned in total fees from the blocks preceding the halving block. The reason for this increase is unclear, but it may be due to users willing to pay higher fees to have their transactions included in the halving block. What happens next? The previous halvings of Bitcoin have always resulted in new record highs for its price in the months that followed. However, this time things have been different. The price of Bitcoin has already reached an all-time high in the months leading up to the halving event. Interestingly, much of the recent surge in price can be attributed to the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. This suggests that the demand created by this market may have a greater impact on Bitcoin prices than the halving itself. Thomas Perfumo, the head of strategy at Kraken, believes that this halving holds additional symbolism. It showcases Bitcoin's apolitical and unwavering monetary policy, which is particularly relevant at a time when people around the world are questioning the stability of their own currencies. Perfumo explained to Bloomberg, "In a world where conventional currencies are facing issues like inflation, interest rates, and economic uncertainty, people are turning to Bitcoin as an alternative form of currency." According to reports from JP Morgan and Deutsche Bank, the impact of this halving has already been factored into the current Bitcoin prices. As a result, they do not anticipate a significant upward movement in the price after the event. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends who might benefit from this knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.